Hi, this is Dorothy with Dot Scrapbooking, and I want to show you today what I got in the mail a day or so ago. And this is my Craft with Heart card subscription. Uh, I got also the scrapbooking subscription on the same day. So they're all sent out on the same day on the 1st. And they come out, you can buy this either monthly or quarterly or yearly. So here is the little box it comes in. First of all, the box is cute. And the next thing, I'm just going to show you what comes in the box this time around. So this is our instructions, and the instructions are very short for each of the cards, and you kind of get an overall look of all the cards that you're going to put together. And so it covers a large array of situations and sentiments. So, and there's a number of shaker cards here that are going to be fun to make, and people will be impressed that you made them. And we've got, the first one is kind of a just a note. Now, each kit comes with a stamp set with all these wonderful sentiments, and you can use whichever sentiment you want. So we've got, the next one is Full of Love, which would be a great Valentine card. And there's also Sending Many Prayers Your Way. So with our times are hard right now with COVID and other things that are going on. It's tough times. So you want to let people know that you're thinking of them when they're going through the hard times. And so these are very, very cute cards. And mostly the backgrounds are printed, and you can see what I'm pointing out there is how short the instructions are. So we're not talking about the cards being hard to make. And the help is the fact that all the backgrounds are already printed on the cards. And also, you have all the die cuts, so you don't have to cut anything. They're all cut out for you. And some of the sentiments are love you always, welcome to the world, thanks for everything, thinking of you in these difficult times, love you always, let's celebrate, you're the best ever. So there's all sorts of, there's birthday wishes, lots of great sentiments that you can use for other cards when you're making cards. Or if you do a kit, then you've got some more sentiments to put in your cards. Now, the fun thing that I really like is that it comes with these colored envelopes. So when you make them, then you match them to the envelope. And that's too fun. So here are the heart foam acetate, the foam window, the acetate window and the foam heart that raises the little window up so you can put sequins in there. So you'll have a true shaker card. So these are little iridescent flower sequins. And so I'm just going to show you kind of what they look like. I don't know if you can get a good idea, but you can see that they're iridescent. You've got greens and pinks and yellows, and very, very pretty little confetti to go into the shaker cards. Confetti with a whole lot of static electricity. So this is the stamp set. So in each box, you get an exclusive stamp set. So all of the different kits have different stamp sets with them. So you don't get the same stamp set with each kit. So you can just make a huge variety of cards to cover all of your needs. And then you've got some little decorations that you can stamp onto your cards too. So you also get a little stamp pad. And this stamp pad is great. It's super gushy, it's super moist. And you also get your very own Close to My Heart block. It's a thin block, not our usual thick blocks. So you get everything that you need except for adhesive to put the cards together. And actually, with the foam heart shapes, there are squares inside the heart that you can use to pop up a number of the elements of each card. So you kind of get your own foam pop-ups. So that's cool. So all you need is like a Tombow or a ATG gun or whatever you use for your normal adhesive. And the cards are fully printed. Even the back of the card has a design to it. So you can see here, you get 2 each of 12 designs, and then you get 2 sheets for each set. So you see those are the same, so that's one for each card. And the lines going in between the groups show you that it's card 1, card 2, card 3, etc. So very, very simple, and not so many pieces that you kind of go crazy and think, oh my gosh, I'm going to get this confused. No, this is really going to be pretty simple for you to do. So these are all the elements, so we will see you. Bye. who purchased this. And these are sentiments that, you know, work for everything. So we've got love you always, sending many prayers your way, full of love, welcome to the world, congrats, just because, thanks for everything, you're kind of the best ever, just a note, let's celebrate, thanks so much. We've got thinking of you during this difficult time, and birthday and wishes. So that covers pretty much everything that you could use. So here you've got a stamp set that you can make, you know, other cards with. So let's see. Oh, and I forgot the other thing that I love about these. When we make our own cards with Close to My Heart, our cards and envelopes come with white cards and white envelopes, and these come with colored envelopes. So pretty.